Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're going to tour a king bed hotel room on the 16th floor of the Baton Rouge Marriott. If you've ever driven through Baton Rouge on I-10, this is the most prominent building you'll see. Originally opened in 1976 as the Baton Rouge Hilton, hence the name of the street that it's on, the hotel switched flags in 2000 and became a Marriott. Amid financial problems in 2013, the hotel was repossessed and new owners took over and began a 4-year renovation project. The rooms once featured balconies, but those were enclosed in favor of larger rooms. This hotel features conference facilities and a seafood restaurant on the ground floor, a business center, and an outdoor pool. And I have to say, we typically favor Hilton properties since we get a lot of perks, comps, and discounts through the Hilton Honors Rewards program. But this is truly a nice hotel by Marriott. I was most impressed by the man working the front desk. I didn't get his name, but he actually seemed appreciative of our business and acted like he wanted to be there, something that has not been our experience at some of the other hotels we've stayed at over the last year. So we'll show you around room 1614, which is a city view room. If we stay at this hotel again, I think I'm going to spring for an executive room or maybe a suite, which would be found on the higher floors. But for their basic king room, this was more than we could hope for. So now that we have the lights on, this is our king room at the Marriott Baton Rouge, right off of College Drive. And this is a basic overview of the room. So I guess we'll start with the basic safety features. We have a peephole. We have an electronic deadbolt. And we have a safety latch. This is the floor plan. We're on the 16th floor. And we are right there. Check in at 3, check out at noon. And your basic Louisiana hotel laws and safety tips. Now this does have an adjoining room, which we do not have. It's locked up. Got a nice full-length mirror here. And a very large television by LG with a remote control. This is antiseptic wipes. We have a little desk area here. And at the desk area we have electric outlets with USB ports, and the lamp also has electric outlets. We have central air conditioning with an electronic thermostat, which I am going to turn off for the moment because it makes noise. Not real loud, but it's not good for shooting video. We have this little table here by the window. Little couch for 2 or 3 people. And here at the couch we have more electric outlets and more USB ports. And this is not a fold-out couch. This here is a king bed. And we have an alarm clock, and on both sides of the king bed we have electric outlets and USB ports. So for once they've actually got that on both sides of the bed. A little drawer here. Basic hotel telephone. See electric outlets. Another drawer with the Book of Mormon and a Bible. And this little unit here, which looks like it's almost built into the room, has all of your shelves and drawers and a place to hang stuff up. Little thing to sit on or to put your luggage on. In this tall closet here on the end is an iron and an ironing board. Whoa. Got laundry bags with regular hangers, and there appears to be lighting built into this. Oh, there we go. This is where you put your decorative knickknacks when you come to a hotel. We always forget, bring a nice vase or something to put up there just to display to all of our guests in the hotel room. We have a little 1-cup coffee maker, and it doesn't appear to be any particular brand, like Keurig or anything. We've got a few bottles of water. Pure Elevation, pure coffee. Decaffeinated. So he gave us 2 decaf coffees, English tea time, Bigelow, perfectly mint. They have sugars and creamers and cups. Down here we have an ice bucket and a couple of glasses. 2 large drawers. This one even has a partition so you can separate your socks and underwear. In here, we have a refrigerator. Of course, the refrigerator's pre-stocked with iced tea and Gatorade. That's made by Absol-Cold. So now we're going to move on into the bathroom. And the bathroom has this sliding door, not a pocket door, but it's an external, I call them barn doors. And inside the bathroom, I have a peg here to hang a towel on. And it will replace towels left on the floor, but not if you hang them up on the hook. They'll let you keep using the same towel. This is a very nice bathroom. All of our towels down here, washcloths, hand towels, bath towels. Have a sink, hot and cold running water. The water's very wet. And we have This Works Clean Skin Body Soap, shower cap. That's shampoo, shower gel, body lotion, conditioner, box of tissues. Some interesting artwork on the wall. And then this is a walk-in shower with some interesting looking fixtures in it. A little alcove in the wall to put your soap or whatever. Grab bar and a place to sit. This also has a sliding door, which only opens from one direction, so there's no way to open it on the shower end, but the knob to control the water is here. So we're going to check out the shower. Let me make sure it's not pointed to where it's going to get everything all wet. And I guess that is just a diverter valve there. So let's turn it on and see what happens. I'm still going to get out of the way. Okay, so that is the hand barrel part. So now we're going to move on to the view. So I've turned on all the lights so you can fully appreciate the view here. And this is a city view room. So we have, let's see, LSU is off in that direction. There's a bunch of hotels right across the interstate. That's I-10 down there. That is the Acadian Thruway over there and College Drive on the left. And way off in the distance, I don't know if you can even see this, try to zoom in, but that is the Louisiana State Capitol, which probably won't focus on because it's too dark. So this is a really nice view. There's all kinds of places to eat right there in that little shopping center. There's a restaurant on site. It was closing as we got here because it was almost 9 o'clock. There's a Waffle House right over there you might be able to see. And look down onto the parking lot. And so let's check this out in the daylight. So this is the daytime view, and it's a little hazy outside today, but still a nice view. Maybe we can see the Capitol a little better. But no, not really, because it's so hazy outside. Another thing I forgot to mention last night was the pool down there, which has some sort of robotic device cleaning it. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share and follow us on social media, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.